Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Importance of Education and Human Capital. Education and human capital are fundamental factors that significantly influence economic development. The relationship between these elements in economic growth is deeply interconnected, forming the backbone of sustainable progress. Human capital, defined as the knowledge, skills, and health that individuals accumulate over their lives, directly impacts productivity and innovation, which are vital for economic prosperity. Education, as a primary means of developing human capital, plays a pivotal role in shaping an individual's capabilities, thereby enhancing their potential to contribute effectively to economic activities. The significance of education in economic development is evident through various mechanisms. Firstly, education equips individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge required in the labor market, thus increasing their employability and potential earnings. Higher levels of education correlate with higher income levels, which in turn bolster consumer spending and stimulate economic activity. For instance, a study by Hanushek and Woessmann demonstrates that countries with higher educational attainments exhibit stronger economic growth rates. This correlation is particularly pronounced in developing economies, where improvements in education can lead to substantial economic gains. Moreover, education fosters innovation by promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Innovation is a key driver of economic development, as it leads to the creation of new products, services, and processes that enhance productivity and efficiency. Educated individuals are more likely to engage in research and development activities, contributing to technological advancements that propel economic growth. The positive impact of education on innovation is supported by evidence from the Global Innovation Index, which consistently shows that countries with higher educational investments rank higher in innovation outputs. Human capital development through education also has significant social benefits that indirectly contribute to economic development. Education promotes social cohesion and reduces inequalities by providing individuals from diverse backgrounds with equal opportunities to succeed. This inclusivity leads to a more equitable distribution of income and resources, which is essential for sustainable economic growth. Additionally, educated populations tend to have lower crime rates and better health outcomes, further enhancing the quality of life and economic stability. The role of education in economic development is further exemplified by the experiences of various countries. For instance, the rapid economic growth of East Asian economies, often referred to as the East Asian miracle, can be attributed to substantial investments in education and human capital. Countries like South Korea and Singapore prioritized education as a strategic tool for economic development, resulting in significant advancements in technology and industry. These nations implemented comprehensive education policies that emphasized both quality and accessibility, leading to a well-educated workforce capable of driving economic growth. Furthermore, the importance of education extends beyond formal schooling to include vocational and technical training. Such training programs are crucial for developing specific skills that meet the demands of various industries, thereby reducing the skills mismatch in the labor market. Vocational education and training systems have been successful in countries like Germany, where the dual system of education integrates classroom learning with practical work experience. This approach ensures that individuals are well prepared for the workforce, contributing to higher productivity and economic competitiveness. Investing in education also yields long-term economic benefits through the creation of a knowledge-based economy. In a knowledge-based economy, the generation and utilization of knowledge play a central role in economic activities. Education facilitates the development of human capital that is capable of generating, disseminating, and applying knowledge to various sectors. This transition to a knowledge-based economy is evident in advanced economies such as the United States and Japan, where significant investments in education and research have led to sustained economic growth and high living standards. In addition to individual and national benefits, education has global implications for economic development. In an increasingly interconnected world, the transfer of knowledge and skills across borders is vital for addressing global challenges such as poverty, inequality, and climate change. International collaboration in education, such as student exchanges and research partnerships, fosters the exchange of ideas and best practices, contributing to global economic development. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals underscore the importance of quality education in achieving sustainable development, highlighting the need for inclusive and equitable education for all. Despite the clear benefits of education for economic development, challenges remain in ensuring that all individuals have access to quality education. Issues such as inadequate funding, insufficient infrastructure, and socioeconomic barriers hinder the realization of education's full potential in many regions. Addressing these challenges requires concerted efforts from governments, international organizations, and the private sector to invest in education and create enabling environments for learning. Policies that focus on early childhood education, teacher training, and curriculum development are essential for building strong education systems that support human capital development. In conclusion, education and human capital are indispensable components of economic development. Education enhances individual capabilities, fosters innovation, promotes social cohesion, and contributes to the creation of a knowledge-based economy. The experiences of various countries demonstrate that strategic investments in education can lead to significant economic gains. However, challenges persist in ensuring access to quality education for all, necessitating ongoing efforts to address these barriers. By prioritizing education and human capital development, societies can achieve sustainable economic growth and improve the overall well-being of their populations. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.